This is a Samsung Note 20 pen. It is still sealed. I'm going to open it now. I can't open this. I have to cut it open. Let me get a knife. So I'm going to open it now. This is the nibs that can be used to change it. This is a pen. This one does not have any logo. This condition is not very good. This is not a. This is without any logo, Samsung logo. This has something else written on it.
Is this the iPhone's pen?
This is not the original. It was advertised to be containing Bluetooth functionality, but I don't think it has any Bluetooth functionality. I think he sent me the wrong pen. This is not the one that I ordered. It says with Bluetooth function, but let's see whether Bluetooth function is still there or not.